No, it's like a mosquito. You shooting it?
Yes.
Well, you got to hold the camera still, otherwise they're going to think you're following it.
He says, what the hell have I got stuck to me?
Now, where are you going to put this?
On YouTube.
For what? Do I have a bug on my elbow?
No.
Going over the edge.
Yeah.
Get your hand out of the way.
You got to see him fall.
He says, I went there once.
When the men in the white coats come to pick up you two.
And how much money they make on YouTube, Mom?
For what? Stupid videos like this. The bug has the rock stuck to him. So he can't fly. The humane thing to do would be to unstick the rock. It would be. So it could fly. Wouldn't be as much fun.
Now, should I kill it right now?
No.
Well, I'm just saying, how do you want to end your video? Life sucks. You gotta drag a rock around and some son of a bitch kills you?
That's a bitch and then you die. You want to be the bug and you want to be the rock. Just trying to get it off. I can't believe I'm videotaping this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah.
Oh, let me get a nail here out of my pouch.
Could do nail him to the desk.
I don't know.
You could do nail him to the deck.
Nope, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna turn him loose. You gotta move back away a little bit.
There you go.